So you want to start a blog, but you want to start a blog that actually makes money? Well, you have definitely come to the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to tell you about the top 5 most profitable blog niches so you can actually start that blog and make real money with it. And make sure you stay tuned, because I am going to tell you about a free ebook download that will get you on the fast track to making money with your blog. I am here to help you make money with your blog, and if that sounds good to you, then go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell, because I do come out with new videos every Wednesday and you're going to want to be notified. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and if you're new here, I am Heather and I help my clients start blogs that actually make money. So today I'm going to share with you the top 5 most profitable blog niches so you can keep that in mind when you are trying to decide what you should blog about. There are a lot of reasons that some blog niches are more popular than others, but the number one driver behind a profitable blog is the products that get sold because of that blog. And that can be ads, it can be sponsorship, it can be the blogger's own products. So there are certain niches that command a much higher ad revenue and a much higher product revenue. So those are the ones we're going to focus on today. The first one is personal finance. Now, when you think about personal finance, there are a number of big, large institutions that deal with that, and they are trying to reach the consumer. So if you are a blogger and you are writing about personal finance, then those institutions will spend more money to get in front of your viewers. So personal finance is definitely one of those. I would put credit cards in that same category, and they pay a lot of money to get in front of your readers. So if you're at all interested in personal finance, then I would consider that as one of your top choices for blogging. One of the greatest examples that I know is Jeff Rose. He's got a YouTube channel, he's got a blog, and he does very, very, very well. His blog and his YouTube channel are enormously helpful, very informative, and advertisers flock to his site and pay big money to be on his site. All right, next up is marketing. If you know anything about marketing, particularly online marketing, and even more particularly social media marketing, then that is where you want to focus. People will pay big bucks to advertise on marketing sites. One of the best examples is Neil Patel. He just knocks it out of the park with all of his different types of marketing information and tips, and he has a massive following, and the advertisers, again, they will pay big money to get in front of his audience. So if you know anything about marketing or social media marketing in particular, I would say start yesterday and get going on that blog. Now, I love to hear what you guys are blogging about, and it doesn't have to be in one of these top 5 most profitable blog niches. It can be anything, but go ahead and put your blog, put a link to it, or at least put a description about it in the comments below. We bloggers love to see what other people are blogging about. All right, the next blog topic that is super profitable is a gossip blog. Now, I don't know a whole lot about that niche, but I do know it is huge and there is a ton of money. You go in and you talk about celebrities and gossip. It's super competitive, so you have to be bang on and get it right in order to make it profitable. But man, if you hit that mark, you will make a lot of money, because apparently we Americans really do love to read about gossip. So if you're into gossip, if you're into celebrities, definitely look into starting a gossip blog. All right, the next one moves a little bit back into the finance category, and that is how to make money online. And the best person I can think of that does this so well is Pat Flynn. I have been following him for years. Now, Pat Flynn's original website was helping people pass this exam, and he created his own product. And it did so well, he was making so much money on it, that he decided to talk to other people about how to make money online. And that is when his blog just blew up. He used to put his income reports on. They got so ridiculously high that I think he finally took them off. But He eventually turned toward podcasting. He's also got a YouTube channel, but it all started with his blog, and it is all about how to make money online. There are a lot of blogs out there on it, but it is extremely profitable because usually what goes along with that is a course that you are either promoting for someone else or your own course, and those can bring in a lot of money. And finally, and this one really is closely related to the one I just talked about with Pat Flynn, is write a blog about how to make money writing a blog. And that sounds kind of silly, but it's really true. There are people that make enormous money doing this. I follow a blog called It's a Lovely Life. I highly recommend that if you are starting a blog, you check out their blog because they have nailed it. They know exactly what they're doing. And they originally started off as a travel blog, but then quickly realized that, wow, the money is actually coming in from helping people make money with their blog. So if you already know how to blog, then start a blog about making money with your blog. Those bring in a ton of money. I believe that It's a Lovely Life puts up their income reports, and it'll kind of blow your mind how much money they're making. So if you're looking for a profitable blog niche, that is definitely one that should be on your list. All right, now that you know 5 profitable blog niches, I'm going to tell you what I was talking about at the beginning, and that is this free resource I have for you. It is an ebook, and it will get you on the fast track to making money with your blog. It is all about making money with your blog. It talks about getting sponsored posts and freelancing and all kinds of things. The link to that is below, so make sure you get that. It is jam-packed with information. It is the first document I make sure my clients read. It is also the way I started making money with my blog. And if you're ready to start making money with your blog, put down in the comments below, I'm ready. Put it out there for everybody to see, and let's get you on that path to making money with your blog. If this video has helped you come up with some ideas to make a profitable blog, then go ahead and let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and also subscribe because I've got lots more where that came from. Again, my name is Heather from The Freedom Strategy. I am here to help you start a freedom-based business so you can ditch the 9-to-5 and live the life that you want to live. I will see you next time.